So guys, how to create a menu for your new WordPress website. For that you need to go appearance and menu option. You see I have no created menu, so first I need to create a menu. Suppose top menu. So create menu, and now I need to add the page, post, custom link or category, anything you want to add. Suppose I want I add some page. Press view all section and you see all pages are here. I want all, and just add to menu. Okay. So all menu are added, all pages are added in this menu, and I want to make it primary menu. Check and save menu. Then let's see what happened. See, all menu are added. Now this is a long tail web develop. Then digital marketing, SEO service. Okay, save and just to reboot. Suppose you want to make a drop down menu, then what you need to do, just this. Okay, then save menu. Let's see, it's automatically created a drop down menu as a drop down menu.